Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
What's up guys, I'm Rad Dan. Thanks for watching 612 Motorsports.
In today's episode, well, it's gonna be pretty damn special, to be honest with you. I am currently rolling up to the Freedom Factory. Cleetus is hosting Klutch Kickers, and there's going to be a few very special guests here today, so I am super jazzed. It's going to be rad! If you haven't done so already, please go ahead, hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super, super helpful and very greatly appreciated. Thank you. I've said this before, but sometimes some of the stuff in the parking lot's way cooler than what's inside. Right on. It's a nice little whip. Ticket.
There we go. Alrighty, enjoy.
Thank you much. Always a pleasure. That sound, even more so a pleasure. What a wonderful thing. God, there's like nobody here. This is great.
Back then, I put one on my car, the big ass and that was like 8 years ago. That shit was like,
oh yeah, especially the stuff that you RX-7, because that thing won't weigh nothing at all as you started, and then you stuff 400 or 500 horse up there, right? That thing was like a mess. Extremely cold. Yeah, there's stupid millions hard crop manifold below, dude. What's up? Wow. Look at that. He got rid of 4 cylinders. But it's still all forward. Just, you know, for one of those drivers that is one of the best drivers around the world. Definitely one of the best drivers around the world. Unfortunately, has a mechanical issue. Chelsea can keep that car together. To be able to work with drivers that we've never seen. Oh, yeah. Chelsea did open with a 90. Chelsea did open. Now sitting at top with a 90. Can't say I didn't expect it, right? It's not too much of a surprise, but he's definitely our number 1 qualifier. With the score of the 90 on the first round of qualifying. Is that a Supra? That's a Supra. Okay. Is that a Supra? Yeah. That's a Supra. Okay. And not only is it a Supra, it's Rad Industries Supra. That's Rad Dan. Mr. Dan Burkett was out of California. Now relocated Rad Industries from California over to Florida. So it's always maybe a little less for shipping nowadays, right? Yeah, exactly. But Rad Dan, this is his first time at Klutch Kickers and first time competing at Klutch Kickers. He's excited to be here in his Toyota Supra. That he known to be a very aggressive driver and always having a good time. Got to catch up with him. Can you say how much power? Yeah, actually, he said he's around 500 horsepower as well. He actually said this car is. Here we go. Rad Dan, Long Beach, California. Just got carried away there. I got carried away, unfortunately. See, up to that point, seemed like a pretty solid run. Hert life. Gene, if you want to do this wheel on the circuit. Yeah, exactly. She's having positive FC. Into the initiation, like getting it in.
Hert here checking in. You're watching 612 Motorsports.
Well, that's going to wrap things up for us here at the track today. I am wore out. It was like 100 degrees. Humid as all get out. All in all, excellent day of racing. Always a pleasure. It's so wonderful to get right up close to all these guys, talk to them, see their cars get close. They don't hide anything, which is really cool. So I'm really grateful for that. And a big thank you to all of the drivers and the team here at the Freedom Factory. amazing people, amazing place. If you get the chance, please come check it out for yourself. Any event here is always top-notch. And if you've made it this far in the video, please go ahead, check out those links in the description below. We've got merch. You want to pick yourself up some. It's always a nice gift for somebody. You know what I'm saying? Somebody always wants a t-shirt, right? It's kind of like a tie at Christmas, but this is something that people actually wear. I hope you've enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.